Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily disable or enable the in-ear detection in your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova True Wireless earbuds. The first thing you have to do is to open the Armory Crate application and tap Device Manager. Here tap OK and tap this first thing that pops up here. Now let it load and tap this gear icon in the top right corner. If you want to set up the application Armory Crate with your headphones, you can check the video on our channel because we have a video for that. And once it is loaded, the first thing, which is here, is wear detection. You can tap it to disable and tap it to enable. That's it. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.